So this is a forum to keep everybody in a little, jitna ho sake, to keep people in a happy place. We complete today with all the speakers 190 sessions. Even when I look back at this journey, I am amazed. And believe me, there have been at least 90 times in this 190 sessions that I could have given up. And I really don't know what's keeping me going on, but it is keeping me going on. And you know what the best thing is? The best thing is the speakers haven't dried up. And someone said so beautifully to me that actually, Anu, there are so many people who want to speak and say things, but either they don't have the right place to say it, or there aren't people to hear them, or it is that they didn't have the guts to do it. So whichever the way it is, this is one place which is basically for the people, by the people, of the people. That really is how I feel. And I am really thankful to all the angels around the world, to all my speakers around the world, to all the listeners across the world who have completely been there with dedication and consistency. And big, big thank you to all my friends, really. Because if you were not there, and I didn't realize that you were so many of you that it took me almost 5 months to keep saying thank you to each one of you. My heart is in gratitude, and I'm really, really thankful that I didn't give up. So over to Binny. Binny will be doing Kauri reading for us. Kauri reading is an ancient science which was used in India. They used to have a chart which was created, and little shells with which they actually, Binny throws the shells on the platform, and each shell has got an engraving or a drawing on it, which means it represents something. And then she reads the destiny for you. So I think it's the most beautiful way to start the day. So thank you, Binny. Extremely in gratitude. Binny completes her 87 sessions today. And that again is remarkable. It shows her consistency, and it shows for how long she has been connected to this forum. It's not easy to do 87 sessions for anything. So in deep gratitude, Vinayfa, over to you. If you could do a reading for our various speakers, starting with Bhupinder. Thank you.
Sure, Anu. Thank you so much. I love being here and I love doing this. So thank you so much for giving me this chance. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Bhupendra, any questions?
No.
Okay. He's just smiling.
तभी तो कहा सिद्धार्थ को देख के दिल खुश हो जाता है.
Okay, so today for you, Bhupinder, I've got inner happiness along with help. So help is on its way. Whatever help you need is coming your way. So be open to receiving that. Be open to being happy from within for whatever reasons that you need. Money part is blocked a little bit as yet, but that also is going to open up as soon as you change your perspective about a few things, about how you are going to receive. So just make these few changes and things will be great for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. Let's read for Aarti.
Yes. Hi, Aarti. Any questions?
Hi. No question. General.
सवाल ये है कि कोई सवाल ही नहीं है.
So, Aarti, for you, I've got the Kauris on wisdom. So, whatever you have accumulated in so many years, work with that, and just with that wisdom along with spirituality is going to make a lot of difference in your life right now, and that is what is going to give you inner peace and inner happiness. So just combine those, and things are going to move ahead right now for you in a very nice way. Thank you.
Thank
Wonderful.
you.
Let's go for Rahi. Rahi, you have any sawal?
No sawal.
No sawal.
Okay.
राही has no सवाल, सिर्फ जवाब ही जवाब है.
Okay. Okay.
Namaste, Jyotika.
Hi.
Rahi, for you, I have got a beautiful blend of receiving and abundance. So don't forget to ask for whatever you need, whether it is in terms of money, whether it is in terms of happiness or your own space. Whatever it is that you need, please ask for it, because till you don't ask, you're not going to feel satisfied. Something within always feels incomplete. So once you have that courage that, okay, yes, I'm going to ask for this, even if it is for a peace of mind for 5 minutes, ask for it. And
Ask
that
for
is
it,
going to
yes.
make things smoother for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. So can Rahi and Jyotika go on my Facebook and please share further your program onto your Facebook? Thank you. Okay, wonderful. Can we do a reading for Jyotika, please? Thank you.
Yes. Any questions, Jyotika?
No, I'm just nervous about today. So like, I don't know. I don't know what. I don't know what to ask.
You're nervous about what?
I've never
I told
done
you I'm coming
this
on the show.
social media thing before.
So there's always the first time, Jyotika.
I'm there, Jyotika, with you. I'm present here. Don't worry. Me
Yeah.
and Anu are there. Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll
Thank
take care of
you.
it.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Okay. So Jyotika, for you, I'm getting there are times when you stretch yourself a lot, maybe as far as family goes, or as far as even taking yourself seriously goes. So don't try to tear yourself apart doing things. Just do things as much as you can manage, and that is enough. You are enough for whatever you've done. You have a beautiful blend of a lot of things, of a lot of beautiful qualities within you. So you use that and utilize that as your strength and not as your weakness. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much for that, darling. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Let's do a reading for Dr. Kiran.
Yes. Hi, Dr. Kiran. Any questions?
Hi, Binifa. Binifa, see, as per astrology, it's a very serious question that
Okay.
I have a major transition of my planets for the good. It will be starting from the 8th, like after the
Okay.
feast of Our Lady of Mount Mary. So what do you see now? How is the future supposed? Because everybody says बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है.
Okay.
After the 8th of September, like exactly after 5 days from today.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a change, and you know what is going to happen.
Yeah. My
Yeah.
Jupiter is going to be strong. So lots of money is going to come in once
Yeah.
again.
So there is a lot of receiving happening for you right now.
Lovely.
And there is a lot of prayers and a lot of moving ahead in that field also happening.
Lovely.
So accept that and don't stop the flow somewhere. Even at times overconfidence can be a barrier. So just
Absolutely.
break those barriers and don't let anything stop you, because as you know what is in store for you, just accept that happily.
Absolutely.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, Vinay. Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. Let's do one reading for Ishween.
Yes.
Atish said, "Meri reading to kar do."
Ishween, any questions?
सरदारनी कोई सवाल है? You're muted, sweetheart.
सॉरी, मैंने कहा मैं फर्स्ट आई, कोई नहीं था इसलिए मैंने कहा मेरी बोल देना आज।
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। चलिए आप
Any
इनके लिए-
questions? या जनरल कर दूं?
नो, जनरल जनरल जनरल।
Okay, okay.
इधर मेरी अभी लड़ाई होने वाली है जहाँ मैं बैठी हूँ, इसलिए
Prediction
गधों को मैंने वार्निंग दिया, मेरी
खुद ही प्रेडिक्शन कर दी है कि देखो लड़ाई होने वाली है, सुधर
हाँ, मैं कह दी। उनको पता है, मैंने कहा मेरे पैसे वापस कर। मेरे को बिठाया, तूने बोला गाड़ी रेडी होगी, आधे घंटे से फिर अटका दिया। पागल हूँ मैं, इधर बैठी हूँ तेरी।
Okay, so Ishween, for you, I'm getting a lot of inner happiness coming your way. You need to do, I know you do a lot of chanting, but just maybe the way you're doing it or the time you're doing it, some change needs to be done over there, or maybe with more focus, if that is possible. So that is a little important right now for you. And I'm getting a lot of karmic cleansing also coming your way. So accept that, because a lot of layers will be shed and some new revelations will come, which will help you attain more inner peace. Thank you.
Wonderful. एक बिनाइफर मेरे लिए
Thank you,
reading कर
Binaifar.
दो।
Yes.
शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू अनुदी, थैंक यू अनुदी, थैंक यू बिनाइफर।
वेलकम। बिनाइफर हमारी डेट अभी तक फिक्स नहीं हुई।
I swear, you know, Anu, I was going to call you today,
Don't
and
worry.
then I don't know what
Don't worry.
happened.
Don't worry. Please, sir. All is good.
Okay. Anu, for you, you will need cleansing.
Thank you. और बताओ।
Or do a lot of chanting. You need to start that. You need to, cleansing, like I said, is very, very important right now for you.
Okay.
And you need to do a lot of chanting, something that is going to protect you. You
ठीक।
need to just start working on that.
So my gut was correct.
Yeah.
So you see what I saw?
Yeah. That is come.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Let's go further. Thank you so much, Binaifer. Let's go to our next speaker. Aarti, could you please